Hello Sagittarius, this is your channel messages for the 26th of October. I am your host Vanessa Carby, psychic medium, spiritual practitioner and tarot reader. Sagittarius, let us go ahead and go into your what is love? Don't hurt me no more. What is love? Okay, let's go. Let's see what love is. Well, we'll see if love is real when it comes down to what you're experiencing right now. Sagittarius, let's go ahead and go into your reading. Are you ready for love, Sagittarius? We have the Seven of Pentacles. I'm getting you're a nice, well-kept, hard-working, religious boy. I'm getting as much as you want love, you equivalent love to sex. You know that you can't have sex with a girl unless you love her. And I'm getting that you cannot love her unless you had sex with her. I'm getting you're a religious guy, Sagittarius. You work, probably work 12-hour shift, 13-hour shift, and you come home. And anytime you have time for fantasizing in your head about a love, that's what you do. Otherwise, you are a good, religious, working boy. You may be Jewish as well. There's a kippa here. Okay? So I'm getting you like to play around with love in your head, but I'm getting your all work. Or I'm getting you're religious. You can't just love freely like that. It have to be approved. How will you meet the person? We have the Page of Pentacles. You're going to meet them outside. You might meet them doing the same work you do. Or you're going to meet them... Yeah, I'm getting you're going to meet them at your workplace. You're going to meet them doing the same work you do. Or you're going to meet them somewhere outside in a garden. You're going to meet this person. I'm getting you see the person do the same thing you like for do. And you're going to say, oh my God, you know, I actually like doing those stuff. The lover's characteristics is the Ten of Swords. So I'm getting somebody has been betrayed multiple times in the past. Somebody might really like you, but them don't even talk to you. Them just treat you like you don't even exist. I'm getting somebody actually really like you. Also, I'm getting the characteristics of your lover. I'm getting there has been a lot of lies told on your lover. Or this person who you like, I'm getting a bare lie tell on them. Bare secret, bare lie, bare rumors on this person. Maybe that's why the person ignore you. Because even though them know you like them and they like you, they know that a lot of rumors have been spread on them. That's not true. But they don't know if you believe or not. And somebody's not going to waste them time even trying to shoot them shot with you, knowing that you're going to believe a rumor that's not true. So I'm getting somebody walk away before it even starts. Like, oh, that guy, yeah, he works here, right? But I'm sure people here tell him about me. Oh my God, I really like him. But I want to ask him for his number, but what are the chances I'll give him number? Him already know, him already hear about the things about me. We don't even talk about it. Him never come to me and ask me if it's true. And I mean... we don't even know if you believe or not. Me getting the rumors is what makes you stay far from this person too. So me getting is a lose-lose situation. You're staying far from the person because rumors are here, and the person will stay far from you because they don't know if you believe everything you hear online. That's why there's a difference between sources and credible sources. You have to know when you get it from what is a credible source? From the horse's mouth. If you get it from the horse owner, the man who used to look after the horse, or the people who usually jerk off the horses, you will not get the real results there. You need to hear it from the mouth of the horse. If the mouth of the horse is not moving when you're asking this question in person, then you cannot ask the horse owner. Cannot. So I'm getting it's a lose-lose situation right now. I'm getting even if it was true, you don't care. But you know other people won't care because you're religious. But I'm getting you're still saying in your head, is this true? Is it? I'm getting you're looking on the person, you don't want to believe it's true, but it could be. I'm getting you feel like it's really much true. I'm getting that's why the person stay away from you, because they don't know if you're going to believe everything you see online. If you believe everything you hear without asking a credible source, you're very easy to control. We cannot use you. Your soul is useless. You can't even use it for corrupt the people. Your soul is useless. Okay, what will this relationship teach you? The Chariot. It's going to teach you that that wherever there's a Jew, there's a police officer. That's what the fuck it's teaching you. I'm getting something I teach you to be more on guard, teaching you to be more cautious. And we have the chariot here. The chariot is a police. Maybe the police will teach you a lesson. Don't date, don't go out. No, don't sell pussy. I don't know what the police want to teach you. Maybe somebody want to bring you on a better direction path. Because you have the black and white pillars here. Which path you going to choose? The police could be the one to spread these rumors on you. Because I'm getting wherever the rumors are come from, it's coming from a very, very credible source. Not from the horse's mouth. But it come from somewhere where you would say it's true. Why the police would lie? Why would the police lie? So I'm getting you saying it's true. I'm getting it's all a lie though. But that is above your pay grade. So I'm getting that's what's happening with your love. You're stuck. The police is cop blocking you. Rumors are cop blocking you. The fucking petrol he gun is cop blocking you. Like everything is cop blocking you basically. So I'm getting you just ignore the love and you just focus on work. And you believe the rumor and then you just continue with your life. So painful that feels, you allowed people to make you do that. We have cursed. You allowed the police to swear you. Me never say a police to swear a criminal out of not scamming, but the police is going to say swear you out of fucking a girl where you know the girl pussy tight. You make the police tell you to stay away from this girl because she's such a threat. So you can't fuck her, you can't enjoy her pussy. You couldn't even enjoy her pussy for one night. That's how scared the police make you feel. Me never seen a criminal scare the police before. Me never see police. But anytime it's the police like, listen, we're gonna fight. Listen, criminals, you wanna go around acting like you are tough and you own the city? Let me tell you something. We have surveillance cameras everywhere and we will catch you, right? Me never see criminals do so. Bumba me can't go rob the bank now. We see the police them just say them gonna look for where I catch you, right? But you make the police swear you want to pussy. You know why the police keep swaying you to pussy? Because the police force is upset. Because the police can't be officer. Why on the police, when they bring the girl in the police car, why don't put him on leave? He was protected and serving his community. He parked in front of the girl's house, right? Protecting. The police car was in the neighborhood. No crime could be committed then while them in the car fucking car. Once them see the police car, them know say fuck, we can't do this, right? He was serving and he was protecting his fucking black woman. He was a white police officer. He was serving and protecting the black police officer. And I'm sure she was serving and protecting him too. Want to get the man leave, want to bring back the man. Bring back the man. Unfair working conditions. Prejudice and discrimination. All the guy was doing was fucking a girl in the police car upon him lunch break. Bring back, make sure the man come back to work. That's the type of workers we want. It's not afraid to do what they need to do on the job. He's serving and he's protecting. That's a man I want in my car now. He didn't even go home. He parked his car right in front of the girl's apartment and put her in the car. And she went back to her apartment. And there was no reports of any crimes that evening. So please, I'm asking you, I hope you put him on leave with pay. And I'm looking forward to seeing him back in office on Monday morning. Anyways, that is what the fuck it is. Serving and protecting. We have underrated. I'm going to leave it here. Until next time, goodbye.